Hi, here's a quick look at the new interface for Collaborate Online. As you can see, we've cleaned the screen up quite a bit. We've moved your company logo way up into the top left hand corner of the screen to make more room for this new calendar. We've also tidied up the navigation bar down the left hand side. All the old features are still there. You can create folders and folders within folders, but we've improved the look and feel and hopefully made it easier for you to see where you are and where you want to go. Just going back to the home page, we can take a closer look at that new calendar. You can see here that we still have events in blue and to-do items. Those are tasks that have been assigned to people that also have a date shown in red. Now the interesting thing here is that you can see that a task can actually spread over 2 days, and that's true of events too. Let's have a closer look at those features. The first thing to say about our new calendar is that you can now drag and drop and move events actually on the screen. So I can take this to-do list item with the completion date of the 5th and drag it across to the 12th with just one click. I can move the task we had assigned on the 11th perhaps through to the 13th, and this review phase, which was previously spread over 2 days, by clicking on the right hand edge I can drag that across to the 19th and even move it into the following week if I like. It's a really flexible tool. It's designed to allow you to move tasks and events around and see how you can schedule your workforce. Let's have a closer look at that within an individual project. So I'm going to go to my job in Manor Road, Birmingham. I'm going to click across to the calendar tab, and here you can see that those events that I moved on the home page have been reflected in here. Now we can actually see closely by looking on the to-do list tab. These are the events that we've got. We can edit those if we wish, or I could add a new one, assign it to any member of the team, give that a start date and an end date if I wish, just set it as a 1-day task, and click add. You notice now the box stays open, so we could add further tasks if we wanted to, assigning it to another person. Let's do that. Here you don't have to assign a date to a task. I'm leaving the date blank. That will just go into the list as a reminder for Jane that she needs to do the task. Of course, when she clicks this task as complete, I will get an email letting me know that she's completed that task. When I've finished adding to-dos, just click here and the list will refresh and the box disappears. If we go back to our calendar, we can see that those changes will have taken effect. So you can now change calendar and to-do list details either from the screen here itself or from the usual place in the to-do list items. And the same thing applies to events. Events can now spread over more than 1 day. So for example, if I wanted to schedule a meeting, so for example review progress, I can actually schedule that meeting to start on the 23rd, and if I want to, finish on the 26th. The notify function that we're used to seeing before is still there. We can tell the rest of the team that we've made that meeting, or just click submit, and that event is now dropped onto the calendar. Once again, once it sits there, you can drag the right hand edge to change the duration of the event, or click on the whole thing, move into the following week, or the following month, whatever you like. So the new version will roll out in May 2012. Of course, it will be free to all active account users, and if you'd like an invitation to the beta test version before that time, just drop us an email at support@collabor8online.co.uk. We'd be delighted to send you an invitation. For further information, check out our website, collabor8online.co.uk, or you can call us on any of these numbers on your screen, or visit Get Satisfaction for our community-driven support section. Thanks for taking the time to look at our video.